Hello friends, I am Suman Daya, founder of AquaSave. Make every drop count. Today I'll be demonstrating how to install AquaSave 30 liter with sensor. Let's see what's there in the box. AquaSave 30 liter tank with cap, stand, tap, bulkhead, float wall installed already inside the box. Steps for installation. Step 1. Fix the stand at a suitable place like above sink where water can be utilized effectively. Step 2. Fix the tap. Remove one washer and insert it from inside. Now, step 3. Place the tank on the stand. Step 4. Connect RO reject water pipe with AquaSave tank. On the other side, connect switch. Now let's understand how to create a connection of auto cut with your RO with the help of technician. Fix the switch in AquaSave tank. Do not make it too tight or too loose. Put your hand inside the tank and press the float wall upwards. Observe the sound of tick-tock. If it is there, it means it is working correctly. Connect the wire with one top and one bottom. Insert wire from the back of the RO machine. Check for the auto cut switch in RO machine. Take out one wire from auto cut switch. Cut the wire. Connect AquaSave wire with the cut wire ends. Cover with electric tape. Float valve inside your RO machine and float valve inside AquaSave tank works in series. Now let's check whether our connections working correctly or not. Switch on RO machine. Checking RO float valve. Touch micro switch pin with screwdriver and see RO is getting switched off. If yes, it is working correctly. Checking AquaSave float valve. Insert your hand inside AquaSave tank. Press float upwards. If RO is getting switched off, means our connections are working correctly. Now close RO machine and place it back. Now your AquaSave is ready to use. Be an Aqua Saver.